Hello students, combinations as we discussed earlier. Here we are taking some introductory problems. See, problem number 1. Evaluate ten C6. As we know the concept of combination, the concept of this combination is NCR is equal to factorial n upon factorial n minus r into factorial r. This is the combination concept. NCR is equal to factorial n upon factorial n minus r into factorial r. So, by using this concept, we will evaluate 10C6. Here n is equal to 10 and r is equal to 6. Okay. So by using this, we will write factorial n means factorial 10 upon factorial 10 minus r, that is 6. 10 minus r means 10 minus 6. In place of r, we will put 6 into factorial r means that is factorial 6. How we will solve it? This is factorial 10 upon factorial 10 minus 6 means 4 into factorial 6. See, factorial 10 may be written like this: 10 into 9 into 8 into 7, then factorial 6. This is in denominator factorial 4 into factorial 6. So this factorial 6 and this will be divided. Then we will have 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 upon factorial 4 means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. When we will solve it, we will get 210. This is the basic problem for evaluating 10C6 by using this concept. Okay students, now I will take another problem connecting this, that is question number 2. If 15CR ratio 15CR minus 1 is equal to 11 ratio 5, then find the value of R. This is the second problem. Students, we can write 15CR ratio 15CR minus 1 like this: 15CR upon 15CR minus 1 is equal to 11 upon 5. Again, 15CR may be written as like factorial 15 upon factorial 15 minus R into factorial R. In denominator part 15CR minus 1, we may write down like this: factorial 15 upon factorial 15 minus R minus 1 into factorial R minus 1. In right hand side, only 11 upon 5. Okay. Now see, we may write down this step like this: factorial 15 upon factorial 15 minus R into factorial R into factorial 15 minus R plus 1 into factorial R minus 1 upon factorial 15 is equal to 11 upon 5. See, next step, factorial this 15 and this 15. Factorial 15 is in numerator part and factorial 15 is also in denominator part. So they will be divided. Then you will have 1 upon factorial 15 minus R into factorial R. Here in this step, factorial 15 minus R plus 1, 15 plus 1 means that is 16 minus R minus 1 in factorial upon 1 is equal to 11 upon 5. See students, again 1 upon factorial 15 minus R. See, in this step, this factorial R may be written as R into factorial R minus 1. Factorial R minus 1. Here 16 minus R. Take outside from this factorial. Then inside the factorial we will have 1 minus. So 15 minus R into factorial R minus 1 upon 1 is equal to 11 upon 5. See here, this factorial 15 minus R and this in denominator 15 minus R will be divided, and same factorial R minus 1 and this factorial R minus 1 will be divided. Finally, you will have in numerator 16 minus R upon R is equal to 11 upon 5. Now, while doing the cross product, you have 5 into 16 minus R is equal to 11R. That is 80 minus 5r is equal to 11r. Okay. See here, this 80 minus 5r transfer from left hand side to right hand side, 11r plus 5r, that is 80 is equal to 16r. Therefore, r will equal to 80 upon 16 is equal to 5. So, the value of r is 5. These are the introductory problems connecting with